There's no need to start from scratch when moving from Verex to a secure Protege platform from ICT. From single-door SME sites to complex enterprise systems, we have you covered. And with minimal upfront investment, you can transition at your own pace, with flexible solutions to guide your journey. ICT offers a transitional dual-card solution that enables a Verex site to continue operating with both GPROX2 and MyFair technology on a single card. You can issue secure, new credentials that are still compatible with legacy readers. To install a Protege controller, simply replace the legacy Verex controller and leave existing network modules in place. To make the switch, you'll need a controller, a power supply, an input expander to match the number of inputs, plus a Verex Snap license. ICT controllers feature a compact DIN rail designed for convenient installation. For a robust security solution, migrate your entire Verex site to Protege WX or Protege GX. Protege enables you to unlock a range of features, implement the latest technology with mobile credentials, and add functionality with third-party integrations. Our dealers are well supplied, and those with ICT dealer network status are provided with a 5-year warranty on all DIN rail products that replace Verex modules. Not only does a unified Protege system for access control, intrusion detection, and building automation provide complete visibility over your site, it saves money on installation and maintenance.